Go to daddy. It is snowing, guys. Today is October 31, 2023.
It's November, almost my birthday.
Yes, it is snowing. You're fine, honey. Ah. Oh, look, the ice. Oh. Oh, go follow daddy, follow daddy. Don't stop dropping. Carry your one. Go, follow daddy. Oh my. Today is October 31, 2023. Happy Halloween, guys. Ayan. Nice display. Very pretty. Ayan. Very creative. Oh, that's so pretty. So cute. Oh my. The pig. It's oink oink. It's oink oink house. Come on, guys. Come on. Cars, left and right. Oh. Mary J's and Joshua trick or treating here in Nani's neighborhood, Nani and Papi's neighborhood. And they're there.
I'm so excited.
You do? Okay, come on. Oh, honey, it's like a storm when let's go home na. It's... Come on na, guy. Come on at Joshua.
I can see her.
Go, Joshua.
Yeah, this is wild.
Come on.
Hey guys, come on.
Come on. They're there. Happy Halloween! He's still there. He's not touched. Oh my goodness, he's there.
Look what I got, Mom.
Okay.
Got this.
Okay, honey. Wow, the eyes. Look at that.
That house gave me.
Wow, come on, Joshua.
Come on, Joshua.
Come on, honey.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Come on, love, because it's I know because it's snowing. Put your hands in your pocket. Put your hands in your pocket. Go, follow daddy. Put your hands in the pocket.
You want me to hold your bucket?
Go.
Let me hold your bucket.
Nak, enough na nak. Let's go na nak. Come on, put your hands in the kwan. Come on. Yeah, trick or treats. Happy Halloween.
Hi guys. Here, Joshua.
Joshua, just
Here, Joshua.
thank you. Happy Halloween, come on. Okay, come on, that's enough. Let's go. It's very icy na. Charles is very cold, Charles. The hands, their hands. Enough na. Let's just go. Just walk, come on. Put your hands in the pocket, ha? Put your hands in the pocket. You don't want frostbite. Give me your bucket.
No.
No, Mary. It's very cold. Put your hands in the pocket.
Just one more. I'm just gonna go left.
Oh, it's very cold, guys. It's snowing. Today is October. First snow of the year, right? First snow.
No way it's snowing. I'm so excited for my birthday.
For your birthday. Hopefully in your birthday it's not snowing.
It's not gonna be outside for his birthday.
To the left. Come on.
We've never gone up there.
Honey, just listen to daddy.
Dad, we never went up there.
Mary Joyce, you don't need it. It's very cold, honey.
It's like,
Yes.
yeah, right pretty much done.
Sobrang lamig, grabe. Sorry. Come on, honey. I think it's empty. See? It's all gone.
Come on, guys, we've been here. We've already been along these houses. Our car is up here about 5, 6 houses. Come on, Joshua.
Come on, it's very cold. Oh, wow. Go. Ang mag-ama ko andun, oh. Hati, can you hold this for mommy?
Oh,
I'm gonna talk. No, I'm gonna talk. Go. Hi guys, today is October 31, 2023. Trick or treating. Ayan, mga bata. Come on. Okay, see, bye honey.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.